I got into one of the high-rise dormitories. These are Seaberg? Basement's open. I think these are Seaberg or something. Alright, here we go. I don't know how fast that was, but these are purple lights. It's definitely a basement. Gnarly doors. Alright, up we go. I bet the other tower elevators are all pretty much the same. I think they're all modded with the same fixture. Wow, this takes forever to level. I can't actually get a view. Yeah, get a view out here. Here we go across that bridge later. These are probably Seaberg, I'm willing to bet, just based on the tracks. I don't know, you guys tell me, what are those door frames? I like this view better. You can see the Aviation Museum, I think. Yeah, these are probably Seaberg. That's not a good sounding door. Ooh, God. Vibration station here. JetPlus VR fixtures. If there was a high-rise building in NCC, this would probably be what the elevators look like. Yeah. Should probably Seaberg. Just an educated guess. Did all the buttons let it? Oh. Up?
Go ahead. No, it's okay.
Okay. Yeah, doors not that great. Oh, it doesn't go full speed when it goes one floor. I see. This one levels a lot faster. Got a little bell in there. Can't really get that far back to get a thumbnail. Alright, there it goes, and that's it.